McGraw-Hill Professional presents The Toyota Way to Service Excellence, Lean Transformation in Service Organizations, written by Jeffrey K. Liker and Karyn Ross, narrated by Doug Greene. Prologue. The Toyota Way is a general management philosophy. The thieves may be able to follow the design plans and produce a loom, but we are modifying and improving our looms every day. Kiichiro Toyoda, founder of Toyota Motor Company, after design plans for a loom were stolen from his father's firm. The problem: misunderstanding of lean and how it applies here. Lean, along with its variations, such as Six Sigma, theory of constraints, Lean Six Sigma, and specialties in different industries like agile IT development, lean construction, lean healthcare, lean finance, and lean government, has become a global movement. As with any management movement, there are true believers, resistors, and those who get on the bandwagon but do not care a lot one way or the other. There are a plethora of service providers through universities, consulting firms, and not-for-profit organizations. And there is a book industry. For zealots like me, Jeffrey, this is in a sense a good thing. There are consumers of my message. But there is also a downside. As the message spreads and goes through many people, companies, and cultures, it changes from the original, like the game of telephone, in which the message whispered to the first person bears little resemblance to the message the 20th person hears. In the meantime, well-meaning organizations that want to solve their problems are searching for answers. What is lean? How do we get started? How do these tools developed within Toyota for making cars apply to my organization, which has a completely different product or service? How do they apply in our culture, which is very different from Japanese culture? Do the tools have to be used exactly as they are used in Toyota, or can they be adapted to our circumstances? And how does Toyota reward people for using these tools to improve? These are all seemingly reasonable questions, and unfortunately, there are many consultants and self-appointed lean experts ready to answer them, often in very different ways. But the starting point should be the questions themselves. Are these the right questions? Though they may seem reasonable on the surface, I believe they are the wrong questions. The underlying assumption in each case is that lean is a mechanistic, tool-based process to be implemented in an organization in much the same way as you would install a new piece of software on your computer. Specifically, the assumptions can be summarized as: 1. There is one clear and simple approach to lean that is very different from alternative methodologies. 2. There is one clear and best way to get started. 3. Toyota is a simple organization that does one thing, assembles cars, and it uses a core set of the same tools in the same way every place. 4. The tools are the essence and therefore must be adapted to specific types of processes. 5. Because lean was developed in Japan, there may be something peculiar about it that needs to be modified to fit cultures outside Japan. 6. Toyota itself has a precise method of applying the tools in the same way in every place that others need to copy. 7. The formal reward system is the reason people in Toyota engage in continuous improvement and allocate effort to support the company. In fact, none of these assumptions are true, and that is the problem. The gap between common views of lean and the reality of how this powerful thing Toyota has been pursuing actually works is preventing organizations from accomplishing their goals. The Toyota Way, by contrast, is a genetic philosophy that can apply to any organization, and if applied diligently, it will virtually guarantee dramatic improvement. It is a way of thinking, a philosophy, and a system of interconnected processes and people who are striving to continuously improve how they work and deliver value to each customer. At the heart is a passion to pursue perfection by striving, step by step, toward clearly defined goals. The twin pillars of the Toyota Way are continuous improvement and respect for people. As you read this book, our goal is to give you a clear understanding of lean, or whatever you want to call it. Co-author Karyn and I start by dismissing the
Sample complete. Ready to continue?